Hi everyone, it's Vicente and I teach Spanish on italki.com, and today I will be talking about 3 Spanish idioms, and they are really useful when you speak Spanish. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the italki YouTube channel just clicking in this button. As you know, Spanish is a very difficult language, I know that, and is also full of idioms and expressions. And today you're going to learn 3 idioms that they are going to make your life easier when you speak Spanish. Are you ready? But before we start, I have to clarify something that is very important for these 3 expressions. In Spanish, we have non-personal verbs. There are 3 different kind of non-personal verbs, and one of them is infinitive verbs. All these verbs ends in ar, or ir. Okay, so we start with the 3 expressions. Vamos! The first one is no valer la pena, or the positive way, valer la pena plus an infinitive verb. This expression means to not be worthy or to be worthy. We use this expression to say that something, an object, a plan, or even a situation is or not worthy. For example, no vale la pena trabajar los domingos, which means it's not worthy to work on Sundays. Or vale la pena alquilar una casa en la costa, which means it's worthy to rent a house in the coast. The idiom number 2 is tener, or no, in a negative way, tener ganas de plus the infinitive verb. And Spanish people, we say this construction or this idiom when we want to express that we really want to do something. For example, hoy no tengo ganas de trabajar, which means that today I don't really want to work, or I don't really fancy to work. Or, for example, tengo ganas de ir al cine, which means I really want to go to the cinema, or I fancy going to the cinema. And the idiom number 3 is no tener ni idea de plus infinitive. This expression is used in negative way. No tener ni idea de plus infinitive verb, which means not to have an idea about something. For example, no tengo ni idea de cocinar. I have no idea about cooking. Or, for example, no tengo ni idea de videojuegos. I have no idea about video games. Don't forget that we use this expression, no tener ni idea de, as infinitive verb, only in negative, with no. Okay? So, guys, you can use 3 expressions when you have your Spanish lesson with your teacher, if you want to sound more Spanish, of course. And thank you so much for watching this video. Before we finish, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video and you want to have a Spanish lesson with me, in the subscription box you will find a link to my teacher profile on italki.com. Adiós!